Welcome along. This is my MyPiFi LED project I'm making at the moment on Kickstarter. It's a 3 LED board. If I can get this working. So the reason I've started it is to basically teach people how to assemble boards, how to solder the parts, how PCB board works, the basic electronics of a board like this PCB, and programming like to Scratch or Python or Scratch GPO. There's no noises like beeping or anything like that. It's inexpensive at only £6. There's lots of documentation what we're working on. We've already got the demo codes up on the internet with links to it. So once you've built the board, that you can try it out and make sure it works. And it's also ideal for schools with it being such low price. It's designed from beginners to experts, so that anyone can use the board. It also has extended GPIO header pins on it, so you can stack it on top of what's there, and you can still use the other pins that you haven't used so far. You can combine it with other projects, and there's no limit to the amount of things you can do with it. So I've used Kickstarter to basically test the water, so I want to see if anyone was actually interested in it first of all, and also to see how popular it will actually be. So far we've hit the funding on the Kickstarter, so the project is going ahead, and just about everything for this project I've ordered, so it's just a case of now waiting for things like the PCB boards and that to arrive. So at the moment I'm hoping to have everything out in August. After Kickstarter, I'm looking at putting up an eBay for starters. Amazon I've started to look into, and I've had various pie shops on the internet that have said they'll have a look at the final kit and sell it on their own sites. I'm looking to make other boards that I can plug onto this particular one, and boards that are simple to use. I want to try and also keep the price as low as possible when selling these, to try and basically keep within the pocket money price bracket. Documents and guides is something that we want to ensure that's with each board, so that anyone that uses it will be able to use the board and know what they're doing with the board, instead of just being presented with a bit of kit and just told to get on with it. And any questions?
Do you have any kits here today?
I do, yeah. There's one just down here on the pie.
Have you got any for sale?
Not for sale today, because the only ones I've got at the moment are version 2, and the ones that I'm going to be releasing are version 3, because we've moved one of the GPIO headers, so it can be used for one wire and ITC connections.
When will they be available?
Well, I should be getting the boards in the next couple of weeks back from the fabricators, and all the Kickstarter projects should be out by the end of August, which will be well ahead of the schedule that I was originally anticipating with them. Any more questions? Thank you.